Hello, and thank you for joining me for this unboxing of the Galaxy S24 Plus. I have it right here. I received it from Samsung today, and I ordered the yellow version. So, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. It has these pull tabs, like Pixel. The Pixel was the first that I noticed starting this, and now Samsung's doing it as well. So you just pull the tabs along the shorter ends. That's one. And see if I can get this one. This is technically supposed to be easier than cutting. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Or I should say, take the top off the box. Let's see what we have in the lid here, if anything. Yeah, so this is where there's like a cardboard piece that holds the cable. And I'm assuming it holds the SIM removal tool as well. Let's see, is this the tool? Let me just see if I can open it up. Okay, I'll just take it out. Here's the book that nobody ever reads. Even sighted people don't read it. Here's the cable. USB-C to USB-C. The usual. And then I pulled out the cardboard. I'm assuming, yeah, here it is. Here's the SIM removal tool on this cardboard. Just gonna take that off and save it. All right, so all that stuff to the side. Back to the phone. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I like the feeling of it so far. I'm gonna take the cover off the screen. Wow, this is, I'm not gonna lie, it feels like an iPhone, but I like that shape. You know, the corners are rounded, but the edges are flat. Yeah, completely flat. The front is flat. The front is flat. These sides are flat. And the back is flat. So on the back, we have the 3 cameras. They each protrude out individually. So instead of being like a camera bump, they are their own bumps, I guess. And there's 3 of them. That's on the top left when I have the back of the phone facing me. Down here looks like a little sticker I'm going to remove. Don't know why we have stickers on here. Okay. So the back has like a matte sort of finish to it. It doesn't feel too glossy. The edges do feel glossy. And then, so on the right side, we have the usual volume buttons at the top, side key below that. I guess this is like an antenna or something under that. Unless that's the SIM tray. We'll find out, I guess. Along the top, there's a microphone hole. Along the left side, there's nothing. Along the bottom, we have probably a microphone hole, a USB-C, and then a speaker on the right. So I'm gonna see. Yeah, it looks like It looks like this is going to be the same situation as the Ultra models have been lately, where there's a microphone hole right next to the SIM ejection hole. I'm just going to go ahead and see if I can get it open since I have the tool here. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be right next to it, so I'm going to push it. Let's see if this is... Yeah, that was it. Okay. So the microphone, if you're looking at the bottom of the phone, the hole that's the microphone is to the right of the SIM tray and to the left of the USB-C port. And the SIM ejection hole is to the left of the tray. So it's pretty close to the left edge. So that's good. You can't get it wrong. Okay. I won't put my SIM in right now. But I will compare this to my S23 Ultra, which I have right here. I'm going to take it out of its case. Alright. I'm going to compare sizes. Putting it face to face. It's very close to the same size. It's a little smaller in every direction. And of course it's a lot smaller at the corners because the corners are rounded, whereas the S23 Ultra has got basically square corners. Let me see if I can tell a difference in weight. Yeah, it feels... I don't know. It's hard for me to tell that kind of thing. But I would say, yeah, the Ultra definitely... Well, I won't say definitely, but it does feel a little bit heavier. Okay, so... I'm going to turn it on. Get TalkBack going, and then... So I'm holding this key down. It did not vibrate. There it is. I just had to hold it for a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and once this is booted, or once I think it's booted, I'm going to do the Samsung method of side key and power up. I'm just going to try it now. Did not seem to do anything.
Press both side and volume up buttons quickly to use. TalkBack on.
Okay,
Welcome to TalkBack. Labels available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view. Allow TalkBack to make and manage phone calls. Allow button.
Gonna allow.
Samsung Setup Wizard. Welcome.
Let's see what the volume level is at.
Accessibility volume set to 50%.
Okay, so that's pretty decent for 50%. I'm gonna see how loud this gets.
English.
Okay.
Double tap to activate.
Yeah, I'll try to not put it next to the microphone, but that's very loud.
Welcome. English. Double tap to activate. Screen off.
Well, that concludes this unboxing. I'm not going to bore you with the setup that I normally do, but thank you for listening.